Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bunny footprint. So here you can see that I'm using my black marker to draw the footprint of the bunny. But I have to draw something more with the footprint. So I'm drawing its head and here's its tail. And now let's draw its foot. Let's complete its body. It has long hair. I'm using my black pen. Wow! Let's do the coloring. I'm using my pink highlighter pen. Okay, now for the rest of its body, I will use my pencil. But don't color its tail. I'm using a tissue paper to blend the color. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.